Good morning, beautiful planner babes. Welcome back to Sequoia National Park vlog part 2. It's your girl here, Daniela, the planning diva. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me here today. I'm excited to share with you day 2 in Sequoia National Park. We just woke up, slept really well. Oh my goodness, best sleep of my life. Feeling rested, re-energized, reinvigorated for the day. And we're gonna start off our day by going down to the river, the Big Meadow stream, and filling up our water. We ran out of water, which I should have brought more water. I thought we would have enough water, but we don't have enough water. But thankfully there's a lot of water in Sequoia National Park. And I have my water filter, so we're gonna go fill up water, bring water back so we can have coffee, wash our dishes from breakfast, and have some water for the day as well. So it's gonna take us like 10 minutes to climb down there, some more time to walk back up, but it's gonna be worth it. So let's go. We have arrived at the river, and I just filled up my filter, so now I'm gonna squeeze this out into we brought a gallon of water, an empty water jug, and my liter of drinking bottle, so I'm gonna fill those up right now. Jet boil is on, water is boiling for coffee, and I think we're gonna break down tents and set everything up for breakfast. Kind of want to break down my tent while I'm waiting for the coffee, because I get lazy with breaking down my tent. So that way I can break down my tent, we can make breakfast, wash dishes, and then head out as soon as that's over. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down the tent. Dang.
Cooking's my jam.
Look at this amazing creation. Look at this amazing creation I just made. This is hot chocolate coffee with mini marshmallows topped with maple syrup. I love it. Breakfast is in order. We have our little side table here. Ethan is in charge of cooking the bacon and sausage, hash browns, and egg. How's breakfast going, Ethan?
It's good. I'm ready.
I know. I am ready too. And camp is all packed up in the good old RAV4. Yep, we cleared it out completely. There's nothing there, just the old fire ring. and we're ready to go hit General Grant Grove and the visitor center. So I'm excited. Let's close this up. Well, check out my stickers. Isn't that amazing? Oh, can't wait to add my Sequoia sticker on here. And we are here at General Grant Grove. We just parked the car and we're gonna walk like 5 minutes to the visitor center to get some stickers. I can't wait. Oh, I totally forgot to get my passport book. Okay, I got my passport book. I have it here in my Cafecito Designs fun dual SIM tote bag. It is actually raining like crazy here. Cannot believe it. It was not raining at all where we were camping, so that was surprising. So I just gotta make our way to the visitor center, get my passport stamp, some stickers, some Sequoia swag, and then check out General Grant Grove. Gotta get my passport stamp, so let's do this. The visitor center is super busy. I found the stickers. This is my favorite part of the visitor center. Look at all those stickers. Amazing. I got this one, and then I got this one over here, and then this one as well. But these are just amazing. I also got some magnets and pins. So many good stuff. So much good stuff. I love it. I got this patch right here for my craft cart. But they have a really good stuff here. Woo! I just added my Sequoia National Park sticker up here. Love it. Added to the collection. Oh my goodness. So we're back at the car after our little shopping spree. And we're heading off to another hike. Let's go. Woo! We just parked here at General Sherman Tree parking lot. The park is insane. There's so many people, so many cars. People are wilding out, parking in the turnarounds, which you're not supposed to park there, but people are double parking there, like 2 lines of cars in the turnarounds. Absolutely insane. And we were thinking that we were gonna have to do something similar, park like off the side of the road and then walk all the way to the trailhead. But we got to the parking lot and we found some parking spots, so we were saved. So we're gonna hike the Congress Trail right now. It's about 2.5 miles maybe, and yeah, we want to get a good look at some of the sequoias. It's gonna be fun. Sherman Tree Trail. Yes. Look at the sequoias. And there is the General Sherman tree. It is massive, and there is a crazy amount of people here. I've never seen it so crowded, but that is one of the main attractions in the park. Massive. Moving on to the Congress Trail. Let's go. We've arrived at the McKinley tree. Thing is massive. Look, it looks like there's a face right there. That looks like a face. But this thing is massive. Look at that. Beautiful. On the road again. Waiting on the road again. Look how beautiful these trees are. That's amazing. There's so many all like bunched together like this. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Wow.
Look at that.
Coming up on the House of Representatives. Look at that grove right there. But we found our picnic spot. Ethan is taking some quick shots before we snack on our lunch. Look at that. That's amazing. Beautiful. Wow. Lunch is BLT. And look at the view. We are now entering the house. This is what this grove of sequoias is called. And it is beautiful. The house. Wow. My God. So amazing. Now we have reached the Senate. That is gorgeous. My goodness. Look how beautiful this is. The Senate. And here we have the president, not the president, apparently. Wow. Off into the mist. So close to the Senate over there. Wow, look at that deer. Okay, we're back at the trailhead where we began. What an amazing hike. Beautiful. It's actually starting to rain, so that's crazy. And it's a zoo. There's so many people here. Hundreds of people here. Crazy people walking off the trail, doing all sorts of crazy things. So happy to be finally heading out. Let's go back to the car. Woo! We stopped at this viewpoint and it is amazing. Look at that. What a gorgeous view. That is amazing. Look at that. Wow. So after that quick pit stop, we just got on the road and started heading home. And it was about a 8-9 hour drive for us to get back home. We were coming from San Diego. We did a pit stop in Los Angeles to get dinner, but we were just driving the rest of the day and cutting through California. I saw this beautiful lake on our way down from the mountain, but for the rest of the day we were just driving, and I forgot to close the vlog. I just have this last bit of footage, and I honestly was so tired and exhausted from everything that completely forgot to close the vlog. But I hope you enjoyed this Sequoia vlog over 2 parts, and I had a great time filming it.
Ya no sabes lo que pasa.